Hey, it's your girl, Angelina, the ultimate beach lover, back with another epic adventure. Today, I'm standing on the shores of a beach that will take your breath away. Get ready to be amazed. As I set foot on the velvety sand, I feel an instant connection with this paradise. The sun is shining high, casting a radiant glow on the glistening waves. The beach seems to stretch endlessly, inviting you to explore its hidden treasures. Oh, and the water here is simply divine. It's like stepping into a pool of liquid sapphire. The crystal clear waves gently lap against the shore, creating a soothing symphony that's music to my ears. Trust me, you won't be able to resist taking a refreshing dip. Walking along the beach, I'm surrounded by stunning natural beauty. Towering cliffs and majestic rock formations embrace the shoreline as if guarding this hidden gem from the outside world. It's a magical sight that ignites your sense of adventure and fills you with wonder. And let's not forget about the wildlife that calls this beach home. Keep your eyes peeled for playful dolphins gracefully dancing in the waves. If you're lucky, you might even spot a majestic whale breaching in the distance. Nature's wonders are on full display here, and it's a sight you'll never forget. As I wander further, I discover secret coves and secluded spots where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's a haven of serenity where you can unwind, bask in the warm sun, and let all your worries melt away. This beach is a true paradise for relaxation. Now, my fellow beach enthusiasts, if you're loving this virtual beach experience, hit that subscribe button and join the Angelina Beach tribe.